should let you know that my hair is damaged, so damaged. How you gonna fix it, fix it, fix it? What's good, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bellamicia, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see, I got a whole situation going on in my head right now. Nothing is new, nothing has changed since my last video. If you guys seen that video, you know that I tried out this hair product and it basically made my hair fall out. All my hair was all over the sink. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll be sure to link it in the description box down below. But as you can see, not much progress has been made. My hair has literally taken on a life of its own. My hair is still dry, it's still brittle, it's still breaking. So in today's video, we're gonna be getting all of that together. But before we get into it, I'm gonna need you guys to do one thing for me, okay? I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 100k subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if you guys did that. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell so you'll be up to date with all my new videos. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so the product that I'll be using today is different than any other treatment that you've seen on my channel so far. So it's different than my DIY avocado aloe vera hair mask. It's different from my deep conditioner routine, pre-poo treatment, hot oil treatment, all of that, okay? This treatment is the real deal. This treatment is so intense. I usually only get it done when I go to the salon, but because my hair has been going through it, I decided to use it today. So I'm hoping to get those same salon results. So the product I'm talking about is the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Unlike a protein treatment that just repairs what's on the surface of your hair by filling in those gaps, those holes outside of your hair strand, Olaplex 3 takes it like 10 steps further. Olaplex number 3 is a bond builder that works entirely inside your hair shaft and cuticle to repair the bonds in your hair from the inside. So whenever you add heat to your hair, or you perm your hair, or you add any like color, you're basically destroying the disulfide bonds in your hair. You're breaking it down. You're just weakening your hair. And those disulfide bonds that are in your hair are responsible for binding the keratin particles in your hair to keep it strong and healthy. And we all know healthy curls are the happiest curls. So Olaplex has this active ingredient in their product. It's called bis aminopropyl diglycol demiliate. Now I don't know if I said that right. That was definitely a mouthful. So what's really cool about that active ingredient is that it will actually attach to the broken disulfide bonds in your hair and rebuild, reconstruct, and repair those bonds that are in your hair. Now, what other product on the market do you know that's doing that? I'll wait. Nobody else is doing it. That's what's so amazing about this product. Now, I'm not going to stand here and act like I know chemistry, okay? But I do encourage you guys to go on the Olaplex website and educate yourselves and learn more about just the whole science behind the hair. It's really cool, really dope stuff. And so as you can see, my hair is nice and wet. We're going to be applying this treatment to damp towel dried hair. I forgot to take the top off. So I was looking at the ingredients list of this product, and you know, there's a couple of them that I can't pronounce, you know, but I actually saw that it has aloe vera in it, right? It has aloe vera, sweet almond oil, and those are products that I use in my DIY treatments. So yeah, I started with a generous amount, and all I'm doing is finger detangling my hair, making sure to get the oldest part of your hair, the ends, and you want to apply the product from the ends all the way up to your scalp. You guys, look at my curls, okay? Okay? It's like instant transformation. Like, so I'm using my Denman brush just to make sure all the strands are coated with this product. So if this is what your hair looks like before you wash your hair, imagine what it's gonna look like after you wash your hair. Like, this is bomb. And we're on to the next one. So the front of my hair is very weak and brittle, so all I'm doing is literally dabbing my fingertips in the Olaplex and just raking it through from root to tip. And this just ensures that all the strands of my hair are like fully coated with the product. You can also apply it like you're applying a perm, which is how I do like my deep conditioning. If you guys haven't seen any of my deep conditioning routines, I'll be sure to link it down below. When it comes to certain treatments, you just want to take your time with it. Guys, look how pretty my hair looks. Yo, I wish I could literally just rock this as a wash and go. Like, I would be set right now. Look at that. All my curls are information. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I'm done with half of my hair and you can see a significant difference already. Over here, my twists are looking super juicy, super moisturized, frizz free, and just so happy. So now we're gonna start adding the Olaplex on the other side. A lot of you guys were saying that maybe it wasn't the product that made my hair fall out, that maybe I'm dealing with postpartum shedding. For those of you that don't know, I did just have a baby. I didn't know what was going on. I never lost that much hair in my life. So if you're a mom and you've dealt with postpartum shedding, tell me about your experience down below. This is something new to me. All I know is that before I used the product, my hair was fine. After I used the product, my hair was in the sink. Okay? Yeah, I don't really know that much about postpartum shedding, but I'm definitely gonna educate myself and get back to you guys on that. So this is basically what my hair is looking like, covered in the Olaplex. Honestly, I use more than half of the bottle, so I went ham on this product. But it's completely necessary. Next up, shower cap, plastic bag, whatever you got to trap the moisture inside. So that's how you basically secure this Olaplex number 3 treatment. I'm probably gonna leave this in my hair for like a half hour to like 1 hour, do some errands around the house, and then I'm gonna follow up with my regular wash day routine and then hop back on camera to show you guys what my hair is looking like. I'm so excited. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
The next day.
Alright you guys, so I just finished washing and deep conditioning my hair. So I have my hair up in this twisty turby thing, and as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and I'm literally dripping water, okay? So I real quickly wanted to show you guys how much hair came out my head. Look at that. Let me get close. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is how much hair came out my head when I washed. A big difference from when I used the hair product in my last video that made my hair fall out. So this is like about the amount of, you know, hair you want to see come out your head when you wash. Preferably less, but I am not mad at how much came out. Anyway, let's get to this hair. Do the big reveal. Drum roll please. Alright, you guys can't see my face. My hair feels super soft, super bouncy. Ooh, yes. This is what we want to see after we wash our hair, okay, you guys? Let me just show you guys the back. And other than the frizz at the front, I say my hair is looking mighty fine. Alright, so I have to say I am pleased with the results. I actually ended up leaving this treatment in my hair overnight because I had to tend to my baby. But it's looking very healthy, moisturized, and ready to style. Now I won't be using this 2 to 3 times a week because ain't nobody got money like that. But you know, once a week, maybe twice a month, I'm gonna stick with it and let you guys know how it's doing. But for the most part, we got a little bit of shed hair, which I am so happy about, and my curls are feeling so nice and juicy. Let me know what you guys think about how my hair came out after using the Olaplex treatment. Let me know if you guys are gonna want to try this yourselves. Let me know if you tried it already and what are your thoughts on the product on your hair. But yeah, this is a vibe. This is a vibe I'm going to try to stick with. All my mamas out there that be going through postpartum shedding, I don't know if I'm doing it with you guys, but whatever is happening, this Olaplex seems like it could be the key to preventing that. Alright, so I just want to quickly say that whenever your hair is damaged, you definitely want to put something strong in your arsenal that's more intense than a lot of your other treatments, like your protein treatments, your deep conditioning treatments. You definitely want to have something that is going to bring your curls back to life. Remember you guys, the result is not just long, bigger hair, but healthy curls. Healthy curls are the happiest curls, and right now my curls are oh so happy. How you doing? So I'm gonna go style this bad boy. If you guys want to see how I style my wash and go, be sure to click the link in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.